Hi, so part 8 of how to use a dictionary. So the last part, we looked at the function, the job of a word when it's used as a noun. So now the next job that we're going to look at is when a word is used as a pronoun. So a pronoun is very simple. It comes from the Latin pro, which means instead of a noun. So instead of a noun. And a pronoun is any word used in place of a noun. So look at the example here. It, his, hers, she, you, these, this, they, we. They are playing. So they here is replacing people. We don't know who, but it's replacing people. It would be replacing whatever object we're talking about. If I said his, this is his is replacing the person we're talking about. If I said those roller skates are hers, that's showing who it belongs to a girl, but it replaces the name of the girl. I could say those roller skates belong to Mary, or those roller skates are Mary's, and Mary would be a proper noun. But I can just say those roller skates are hers. Now hers is a pronoun because it replaces a noun. She here replaces a girl. He replaces a boy, whoever it is. It could be a proper noun. We could be talking about James. He's coming this morning. Or we could just say the boy is coming, and the boy here would be a common noun. James would be a proper noun. And if we say he, that replaces either the boy or James. So these are just examples of pronouns, but that's all a pronoun is. So when you see words like that, that's what the job of that word is. It's replacing a noun. So I'm going to show you now in the dictionary examples and how you will see that it is a pronoun in the dictionary. All right, so here we're using a lovely Webster's New World Dictionary for young readers. And we're going to go straight to hers, and I will show you how it looks. So here we have the entry word, which we've looked at already, hers, pronunciation in brackets. And look here, it says pron. And this is what you will see in pretty much all dictionaries. Pron means pronoun. And it says the one or the ones that belong to her. And it says this form of her is used when it is not followed by a noun. And we're going to look at that in the next part. This book is hers. Hers have not arrived yet. So here we're talking about hers. This book is hers. It belonged to the girl. And hers have not arrived yet. This is telling you about something, whatever it is that belongs to her, and they have not arrived yet. So perhaps the roller skates have not arrived yet. Her roller skates have not arrived yet. So hers have not arrived yet. And then we're going to look at another example here with the word they. And we'll see how that is shown. Here we go. So here we have they. Pronoun. The persons, animals, or things being talked about. The players knew they had won. Put the keys back where they were. Okay? So this is quite a good example. Again, it replaces. They is the plural of he, she, or it. So the plural means there's more than one. So if there's more boys, more males, more females, or more its, you use they. Okay?